Juan Ponce Enrile, mga senator yan. Isa Tanyada yan, senator pa si presidente dati, Senator Joseph Estrada, Senator Robito Salonga, right? Senator Agapitos Aquino, Senator Victor Siga, ayan. Dahil to main donation, madumi, malabo. Yan, Senator Sotero H. Laurel, ayun yung mga nakalagay dito. So, Senator Orly Mercado, noon to, kapanahunan pa niya. Ayan, si Aquilino Pimentel, si Nene, ito nga ba yun? Senator Aquilino Pimentel, Senator Rene A.B. Sagisag, alright. Senator Ernesto M. Maceda, alright. Ito Pisto Bingona, yan, sila yung nakalagay dyan, guys. So, ilang senator yan? 10. Ayan, sa gisag ng kalayaan yan, parang peace. Guys, alright, kalayaan nga, di peace. Diba? Alright, mali-mali yung inyong vlogger. Ayan, peace. May kalapati. Alright. So yan yung mga masigasig na senador natin noon yan. Yung mga senador noon. Sila yung naka dyan, 10 senator yan. Alright. Ito yung sa Subic, guys. Ayan. Ayan, yun yung mga nila. Parang mga motto tong nakalagay nila. Yan. With my vote, I call upon the people to hold firmly and dearly on the national pride and self-respect. Yan ang sinasabi ni Mercado. These are not mere words as some of those driven by despondency to citizens near at we cannot eat our pride. Hindi daw pwedeng kainin yung pride niya, they say, and appealing to basic needs to ridicule the people capacity to sacrifice with dignity intact. They would want us to swallow our pride. Kita mo, hindi niya rin pwede accepting this grossly equitable treaty. National pride and self-respect are not more words, they are solid and indispensable values that we must nurture and strengthen within ourselves. They are what make us a nation and not just a population. I vote yes to non-concurrence. Ito. Pimentel, naman ang sinabi? Who vote on this treaty have been subjected not only to pressures but also to threats. In my case, let me tell all concerned that during the past regime, I have laid my life in the line. I have been arrested and jailed no less than 4 times. I have been ousted from office twice, all because I would not bow down to the imposition of a dictatorship that was, by the way, keep in place through U.S. support, and because I had wanted to contribute my bit to keep alive the flame of freedom that illuminates the country today. Alright, yun yung mga sinasabi nila. Yes, cooperative ba yan? Kanya-kanya silang mga moto. Alright, ayan, Idol Moto. Alright, shoutout sa'yo. May mga moto pala dito. Alright, may mga moto ng senador. Alright, ayan. Sudah. Logo ng peace. nabasa niya.
December 16, 1991, stood up and declared no U.S. military bases being
Mm.
But yeah, that way we don't have any military bases. That's why we don't have bases. We didn't want to sign a treaty. But yeah,
Napaliwanag niya.
the U.S.